नशिस्तें पीटीआई को देने के खिलाफ नजरसानी केस की समाअत जारी है।
जी सीरियल 11 सर जी इंडिपेंडेंट्स who joined SIC cannot join PTA. There is nothing on the record to suggest that these 41 candidates were compared. There were these total 80. So 39 Justice Mandokhil recognized as PTI affiliated. Now what about the 41?
On the basis of their nomination?
Yeah, on the basis of their yes, of course. Was compelled, coerced, pressurized, misinterpreted the law or judgment of this court, and was there any other peculiar circumstance beyond their control to declare their status as independent. In the circumstances, there is no reason why they should be considered as PTI nominated candidates. Judges decide cases in accordance with the Constitution and the law based upon the material available before them. Any such contention must be supported by the record, which is lacking in this case. Therefore, these 41 candidates are independents. With great respect, we do not agree. This is the disagreement. With great respect, we do not agree with the decision of the majority members with regard to providing opportunity of 41 independently returned candidates who were already joined, who have already joined SIC by exercising their constitutional right. Although all 80 had joined, but 39 ko His Lordship declared that they were PTF.
Neither the Constitution?
They are now members of SIC. Neither the Constitution nor the Act permits us to issue direction or provide an opportunity or additional avenue to them to join another political party, and that too within a period of 15 days. So that's the disagreement. So it's a disagreement about numbers. And more fundamentally, it's a disagreement which is a critical question before your Lordship. If I may take your Lordship to the constitutional provision of Article 51.
D.
Article 51, 6D, if I may read. If your Lordships have it, I'll read, sir. Members to the seats reserved for women, which are allocated to a province under Clause 3, shall be elected in accordance through proportional representation system of political parties lists of candidates on the basis of total number of general seats secured by each party from the province concerned in the National Assembly. Provided for the purposes of this paragraph, the total number of general seats won by a political party shall include independent returned candidate or candidates who may duly join such political party. Now this is the contentious point where Justice Mandokhil and the other dissenting members have very strongly disagreed. Within 3 days of the publication in the official gazette of the names of returned candidates. Now, of course, the majority judgment has extended this time period. Could this be done? That is the central constitutional question before your Lordships. Now, as I will show to your Lordship, this is not a time period written in stone. And by relying on Article 254 of the Constitution, I will try to convince your Lordship that this...
एक बात ध्यान में रख लें।
जी।
Period उस वक्त extend किया जाता है जब वो period किसी ने avail ना किया हो। यहाँ पे तो avail हो चुका है। 3 दिन के अंदर आपको join कर चुके हो।
Exactly circumstances में avail किया जा सकता है।
Again you provided opportunity.
Sir, Article 254 इस तरह लगता है हमारे केस में जिस तरह किसी previous केस में नहीं लगा। बिल्कुल लगता ये कि ड्राफ्ट ही हमारे लिए हुआ था। Now I come back to the judgment, sir.
हाँ पहले 254
पढ़िए।
अच्छा मैं 254 जरा
आप कह रहे हैं आपके लिए बनाया है, प्लीज रीड।
लगता यही है।
चलें देखते हैं। आप ये नहीं लिखा।
करिश्मा है।
बस अल्लाह ताला सर, God has his own ways, sir.
इस वक्त सुप्रीम कोर्ट में मखसूस सीटों के केस की समाअत जारी है।